Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Tamiya. This is the brick wall set from the Military Miniatures series in 1/35th scale. You can see here ready to assemble. Some example illustrations here. Pricing information at the time. On the edge, this is item number 35028, and then 300 millimeter 28. So I'm not sure what that corresponds with. I'll let you study that. Here are some additional kits as accessories. You see here a sandbag set, barricade set. Similar on this side. Some additional kits here. Let's take a look at these actually. Schwimmwagen, Willys MB, British Army Daler Mark II Scout Car. Rotate it back for you there. And similar here. Looking on the back, we have some additional illustrations here, probably with some additional parts that you could purchase separately, like a door, double door, windows, etc. You see here's some more information here, as well as down here. This just happens to be, I believe this is probably, what do you say, a reprint or reissue, but manufactured in Philippines. So there's no exact date on this model, so I'm assuming this is not the original injection kit. This has not been worked on at all, as far as I know. No instructions, and you can see here is basically just pre-molded brick sets, and if you had a razor saw or a pretty good blade, you could probably separate these as needed into the style of pattern of bricks and whatever to customize whatever you're building. You see here some separate seam pieces, as well as just your basic rectangular and triangular large wall segments, as well as, again, sets of the separate brick segments. That would probably be easier to separate. And as you separate them, you can actually use them as ground clutter as well from natural spread due to damage. But taking a very quick look at something from Tamiya. This is part of the Military Miniatures 1/35th scale brick wall set. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.